Door assembly. Flush to the wall version. Follow our tutorial step by step. The models of the door available are the push model and the pull model. Let's start. We position the aluminum frame with the stiffening spacers. Then, we plumb the door. We place the door with its frame in the seat, and we balance the door with a wedge, so as to leave 6 mm off the ground. We wall the anchors, being careful to test the functioning of the same. We apply the mesh supply, overlapping the aluminum frame and the brick wall. It is important in this phase to make small adjustments for an optimal result. Then, we leave the spacers until the cement is completely dry, for about 12 hours. Then, we proceed with smoothing the walls, respecting the plaster edge determined by the frame. And then, you can start painting. It is also possible to apply any coating as desired. So, here are some options to customize your classic flush door with mirror, wallpaper, or paint it like the surrounding wall. Choose the one that best suits your style and needs. Visit our website, portitalian.com, for more information. Thank you. See you soon.